Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
A name error means Python cannot find a variable or name in the current kernel. First, read the full error line to see the missing name. Next, check your cell execution order and run defining cells before dependent cells. Confirm you did not misspell the variable or function name. Also verify you imported required modules with correct names. If imports seem fine, restart the kernel and run all cells to ensure names are defined. This step often fixes stale state issues in notebooks. Correct any misspelling in variable or function names to resolve the error. Compare the name in the error with your code and fix case or spelling differences. Ensure necessary modules are imported using correct module names and aliases like import numpy as np. Run defining cells or move definitions into the same cell as usage when practical. Use explicit initialization, such as mylist equals, before appending elements later. These steps remove most simple name error causes in notebooks. Use a restart and run all workflow to ensure a clean kernel state each session. Organize code into top-to-bottom cells and combine related definitions in one cell. Add a small test cell that imports modules and prints key variable types after definition. Use descriptive variable names and consistent casing to avoid accidental mismatches. Consider putting helper functions and constants at the top of the notebook for clarity. These habits reduce name resolution errors and simplify debugging for future work.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.